Bluey woke up feeling curious. A mysterious box sat in the middle of the backyard. Could it hold a secret? Bingo ran over excitedly. She asked Bluey what's inside. Bluey tilted her head. Let's find out. Dad called from the porch. Be careful. Mom peeked with a smile. Bluey nodded determinedly. They opened the box slowly. A soft glow spilled out. Inside were tiny, sparkling creatures. Bluey gasped in wonder. Could these be magical fairies? The creatures fluttered their wings. Glittering dust floated everywhere. Bingo laughed in delight. Bluey reached out carefully. Could she touch them safely? Suddenly, one fairy zipped around her head. Bluey spun in surprise. Her tail twitched. Bingo giggled uncontrollably. Could this be real magic? Dad and Mom stepped closer. They watched in awe. Bluey's eyes sparkled with excitement. Could they be witnessing something extraordinary? The fairies led them toward the garden. Flowers bloomed brighter. The air smelled sweet and fresh. Bluey twirled in joy. Could happiness feel this magical? Bingo followed closely, her paws barely touching the soft grass. The fairies danced around her. Bluey's laughter filled the backyard. Could this day get any better? Suddenly, a small rainbow appeared above them. The fairies twirled through it. Bluey gasped with delight. Bingo clapped her paws. Could this be a gift from the fairies? They played together for hours, hopping, chasing, and spinning. Bluey's heart felt light and happy. The family shared smiles and laughter. As the sun began to set, the fairies flew back into the box. Bluey whispered goodbye, little friends. Her tail wagged slowly. Could this adventure be remembered forever? Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. Thank you for sharing this magical day. Bluey smiled with joy. And you. Yes, you. If you felt the magic too, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.